Hey guys, hi, hello, namaste, adab, sat sri akal, assalamu alaikum, vanakkam and khamagani to all of you. Welcome to today's session. Welcome bachcho, welcome to today's class. And as you all know, this is your subjective case-based question series. Topic we are discussing today is some applications of trigonometry. ठीक है? So as you all know guys, in this particular series we are solving subjective case based questions, as we have seen these kind of questions in the sample paper which is released by CBSE. So just to get that fear out of you that no, these questions are not something very difficult, or these questions are not where like it requires some separate effort or something. If you are good with your concept, if you are good with your knowledge, you will not find any difficulty. ठीक है? You will not find any difficulty in solving these questions. All right, ठीक है? So guys, welcome बच्चों, welcome to today's class, है ना? So we'll be starting the session now. Let us start with the first case study. देखो what it is saying. Rohit is standing at the top of the building, observes a car at an angle of 30 degree. At the starting he saw it at an angle of 30 degree. So that is angle of depression. If that is 30, this angle will also be 30 degree, interior alternate angle. So that is what shown in the diagram over here, which is approaching the foot of the building with a uniform speed. 6 seconds later, the angle of depression of the car formed to be 60 degree. Obviously, the car is coming closer, angle of depression will increase, whose distance at that instant from the building is 25 meter. So at that moment, when the angle of depression is 60 degree, the distance between the tower and that car, or that building and that car, is 25 meters. This is the information given to us. All right. First question, find the distance between two positions of the car. That means they are asking us what is the CD. They are asking what is the CD. Let's say CD is equal to x, distance between the two positions of the car. So guys, first if I start, if I start with triangle ABC, in triangle ABC, BC we know is 25, AB we can easily find out. So I'll say, sir, in triangle ABC, BC will be base, AB will be your perpendicular if theta is at 60. So you can say tan 60 degree will be equal to AB upon BC. Tan 60 is root 3. AB we need to find out. BC is 25. AB is 25 root 3. Simple है? हाँ जी sir. Next part will say, sir, look at the triangle ABD. So if we look at triangle ABD, I can say tan of 30 degree will now be equal to AB will be your perpendicular and BD will be your base. Tan 30 is what? 1 by root 3. AB we have got as 25 root 3 and BD will be x plus 25 complete. So BD will be x plus 25. Cross multiply, you will get x plus 25 is equal to 25 root 3 into root 3. Root 3 into root 3 is 3. 3 into 25 is 75. So x plus 25 is equal to 75 and x is equal to 50. What is x? The distance between the two positions. So CD will be equal to 50 meters. ठीक है बच्चों, CD you will get it equal to 50 meters. All right, this is how this question will be done. Easy question, not very difficult we would say. ठीक है? Total time taken by the car to reach to the foot of the building from the starting point. Let us see whether they have given the uniform speed. Uniform speed is not given, so we have to find out the speed. They have given time taken. Time taken is given. ठीक है? All right. So it is given to you, beta. देखो, distance of D to C is given to us as 50 meters. We have found. It is also given that time taken to go from D to C will be how much? It is given as 6 seconds. Right? They are saying total time taken by the car to reach the foot of the building from starting point, मतलब D to B. Please understand, this is very important point over here. From starting point it is saying. from starting point. ठीक है बच्चों, तो that means the question is asking me to find out the time taken to go from D to B, and we know this will be equal to the distance from D to B divided by the speed, which is a uniform speed. Now D to B, how long it is? देखो, we remember ना, x we have got it as 50, so D to B will be total 75 meters. So this distance 75 meter we have, but we don't have the speed yet. Speed we can get from over here. By D to C, distance is 50, time taken is 6 seconds. So I can say the uniform speed will be 50 divided by 6 or 25 by 3 meter per second. So just substitute this 25 by 3 over here. So 25 by 3 will come over here. This 3 times cancel, 3 3s are 9. Total 9 seconds it will take. It is going to take total 9 seconds. है ना? Easy. So देखो, uniform speed it is. We know that D to C distance is 50. Previous question we have got it. And time taken to reach from D to C is 6 seconds given in the starting here it is given, which is approaching the foot of the building with a uniform speed. 6 seconds later, angle of depression is 60 degree. So we know the time, we know the distance, speed will be 25 by 3 meter per second. And now D to B, we need to see how much time it will take. So D to B distance is 75 divided by speed to get the time. So total time will be 9 seconds. ठीक है? Alright, it was a good question. There are chances that student might make mistake in the second part, because they'll not read it carefully. Many will give answer as 3 seconds. Okay, because they'll think you only C to B it is asking. So that is important point. Now here, in a village, group of people complained for an electric fault in their area. On their complaint, electrician reached village to repair it on a pole of height 5 meter. So let us show it over here. By pole's height is 5 meter. Alright, he needs to reach a point 1.3 meter below the height of the pole. Acha. No, wait. Didn't read the question carefully. I have to read it again. Total height of the pole is 5 meters. So this is complete 5 meter. They are saying a point which is 1.3 meter below. So I can say, sir, this distance BD will be 5 minus 1.3, which is 3.7 meters. Right? This is going to be 3.7 meters. Right? ठीक है? Second thing, what it is saying, next what it is saying. Then they are saying he used ladder inclined at an angle of theta such that cos theta is 0.5 to reach the required position. ठीक है? They have also given one thing, cos theta is equal to half, 0.5. So cos theta is a half. Let's see what the question is saying. First part, find the length of the ladder. तो गाइस देखो, अब अपने को पता है भाई टोटल हाइट ऑफ द पोल इज 5 एंड लेडर इज फिक्स्ड 1.3 मीटर बिलो. So 1.3 meter below means 3.7 meters. This is perpendicular, this is theta. Cos theta is given as 0.5 or half. When cos theta is half, बच्चों, when theta is 60 degrees, right? Trigonometric table. So this theta is 60 degree. You want to find out the length of the ladder, which will be your hypotenuse. Hypotenuse is what? Perpendicular by hypotenuse of sine theta. So sine theta will be equal to perpendicular upon hypotenuse. Sine theta मतलब sine 60 degree. So root 3 by 2, perpendicular will be 3.7 upon height, upon hypotenuse, length of ladder. So length of ladder will be 2 into 3.7 divided by root 3. Root 3 take it as 1.73, multiply कर लोगे यहाँ पे. So 2 7s are 14 power 1 and 2 3 are 6 plus 1 7. 7.4 upon 1.73. So I think it should be going 1 by 2, something like that. ठीक है. So it is coming around 4.28 meter approximately. Coming around 4.28 meters approximately. Approx. ठीक है. Calculation you can do, divide कर लेना. Not more difficult. Alright, next what they are asking, How far the foot of the pole should he place the foot of the ladder? So foot of the pole is over here, this distance they are asking. Arey bhai, this is 3.7. You know theta is equal to 60 degree. So you can say tan theta will be equal to BD by CD. Tan theta is what? 60 degree. Tan 60 is root 3. BD is 3.7. Upon CD we don't know. CD will be 3.7 by root 3 kar lo. 1.73, take it approximately, your answer will be 2.14. ठीक है, ओनली कैलकुलेशन. ओके बेटा, क्लियर है? कैलकुलेशन तो यू कैन डू, डिवाइड तो करना है. 1.73 से डिवाइड करो. ऑलराइट, ठीक है. ओके बच्चों, नाउ रिमेंबर वन मोर थिंग गाइस, वेदांतु's प्रो सब्सक्रिप्शन, एंड द बेस्ट थिंग राइट नाउ गाइस, प्राइजेस हैव रिड्यूस्ड अ लॉट, है ना. इफ यू वांट टू रजिस्टर फॉर वेदांतु's प्रो सब्सक्रिप्शन, link is in the description box as well as in the pinned comment. GPE Pro is your code to get 10% off. 10% off है बेटा अभी right now. You want to register, go to the description box or in the pinned comment, you will see avail all exciting Vedantu courses over here, or in the description box also avail all exciting Vedantu courses over here. Just click on this link, any of the link click कर लो. Once you click on this link, here you have got grade 10th. Okay, so grade 10 CBSE term 2 full syllabus, click on get started and beta देख लो, this is your final price after reduction. ठीक है. So Pro Lite is available for rupees 5,400, Pro Classic for rupees 7,200, where you are getting an extra feature of doubt solving on mobile app. Okay, and if you want to try it, Pro Lite is just available to you at rupees 1170. So you can try it. This price is inclusive for all the subjects. All subjects, full term 2 syllabus will be covered at this price. You'll be getting many features. For example, you'll be able to see your schedule like this for all the classes. You can always watch the notes of any of your previous class. You want to watch the notes, click on get notes, and यहाँ पे you'll be able to see the notes of your class. On the past classes, whichever you have attended, past classes, you'll be able to see the notes along with in teacher's handwriting as well. So you'll be able to remember what we did. Also, you can watch the replay of that class as well. Click on replay, you'll be taken to the replay portion. Here you can watch the replay, and if you want to attend the quizzes as well, click on try alternate replay, and here you'll be entered into the classroom setup where you will be able to answer the quiz questions as well. All right, so these are some amazing features you are getting guys, and you can see you can attend as many classes, micro courses, everything you are getting under this. Okay, next question देखते हैं. अब देखो ये क्वेश्चन ध्यान से read this question first. Okay, Karan and his sister Riddhima, ठीक है, one of them is Karan, one of them is Riddhima, visit their uncle's place Bir, which is in Himachal Pradesh. During daytime, Karan, who is standing on the ground, so this is your Karan, ठीक है, and then obviously this is Riddhima. Okay, so they are saying during the time who is standing on the ground spots a paraglider at a distance of 24 meter from him at an elevation of 30 degree. So he saw there is a paraglider होता है ना, paragliding वाला, at a distance of 24 meter and at an angle of elevation of 30 degree. Okay, second, his sister Riddhima is also standing on the roof of 6 meters. So Riddhima is 6 meter at a 6 meter height compared to Karan, and she looked at him and she observed an angle of elevation of 45 degree over here. ठीक है, and they both are on the opposite sides of the paraglider. They are on the opposite sides of the paraglider. Okay, what is the value of PD? This distance we need to find it out. So for that I can say, sir, let's look at triangle AQD. So if I look at triangle AQD, theta is 30 degree. We know hypotenuse is 24. We can easily find out DQ, sine theta. So sine of 30 degree will be equal to DQ upon AD, perpendicular by hypotenuse. Sine 30 is 1 by 2. DQ we don't know, but AD is 24. From here you'll get DQ is equal to 12 meters. You want the length of PD? I can say DQ is nothing but DP plus PQ. And also, if BC is 6, PQ also will be 6. So DQ is 12, DP we need to find out, PQ is 6, from here we'll get DP is equal to 6 meters. ठीक है बेटा? Is this clear in the chat? 6 है? Easy? Very easy. Right? Direct answer you got. Here, distance between the paraglider and Riddhima. अब देखो, paraglider and Riddhima distance, that means you want to find out this distance. Let's say it is x, angle is 45, and here you got this is equal to 6. So let's take triangle DPB. So in triangle DPB, I can say perpendicular is given, want to find out hypotenuse, go for sine. So sine of 45 degree will be equal to perpendicular upon hypotenuse. 1 by root 2 is equal to 6 by dB. You got dB is equal to 6 root 2 meters. dB is 6 root 2 meters. Now they can change the question differently, but at the end, if you have the diagram correctly, you can always get the answer. हमेशा आंसर मिल जाएगा. Focus on the diagram. Okay. Next question. देखो, अब many times they give a very big paragraph where most of the thing is not very much relevant. For example, group of students visited India Gate, है ना? Teacher interested in history narrated the whole story, and India Gate, official known as Delhi Memorial, originally called All India War Memorial, monumental sandstone arch in New Delhi dedicated to troops of British India who died in wars for between 1914 and 1919, your first World War time period. The teacher also said that India Gate, which is also located at the eastern end of Rajpath and formerly called the Kingsway, is about 138 feet, which is 42 meters. एक important है, if this height is 138 feet or 42 meters. ये important था. So this you need to understand. अब देखो, what is the angle of elevation if they are standing at a distance of 42 meter away from the monument? They who? अच्छा, students. So देखो, we know monument is 42 meters high, and the students are also standing at a distance of 42 meters, and they are asking what is the angle of elevation. So angle of elevation will be angle of elevation will be what? Join the top of the point with the bottom. So angle of elevation, this theta we need to find out. अरे बच्चों, here we can see tan theta is 42 by 42, which is 1, means theta should be 45. Hello बच्चा, hello. Theta should be 45, simple है. Second, if the altitude of the sun is at 60 degree, then the height of the vertical tower that will cast a shadow of length 20 meter. Yeah, I think question itself has changed. Now they are not using it, although it should be used. अब यहाँ पे it can be asked कि if the shadow of that shadow of India Gate is, let's say, 20 meter, what is the angle of elevation? This way it can be asked, but here they have changed the question. So altitude of sun is 60 degree. Okay, so angle of elevation, this is the angle at which the sun ray falls on the ground will be your altitude of the sun, and height of the vertical tower we need to find out, where shadow length is 20. So this you need to find out. 1060 करो ना यार. 1060 is x by 20, root 3 is x by 20, x is 20 root 3. ठीक है, not related to the previous one, but got that. Okay, next question देखो. अब देखो, here again see how much point is like not used a lot. Satellite flying at height h, satellite is flying at a height small h, is watching the top of the two tallest mountains in Uttarakhand and Karnataka, them being Nanda Devi and Mulyanagiri. ठीक है, Nanda Devi is in Uttarakhand, Karnataka में Mulyanagiri. Alright, the angles of depression of the satellite to the top of Nanda Devi and Mulyanagiri are 30 degree and 60 degree. तो बेटा this angle is told to be 30 degree, so obviously this angle will also be 30 degree and this angle will be given as 60 degree, तो ये वाला भी 60 degree. Correct? If the horizontal distance between the peaks of the two mountains is 1937 kilometer, ठीक है, the horizontal distance dr, so this distance is given as 1937 kilometers. Alright, and the satellite is vertically above the midpoint of the distance between them. So satellite is above the midpoint. So this point I will be the midpoint over here. Okay, so 1937 by 2, here also 1937 by 2. Now, the distance of the satellite from the top of the Nanda Devi and Mulyangiri. Okay, so beta I know if dr is given as 1937 kilometers. Alright, so this distance is going to be 1937 by 2 and this distance is also going to be 1937 by 2 because it is given this is at midpoint. So AG I got to know is 1937 by 2 and HP also is 1937 by 2 kilometers. Now here angle of depression 30 degree, here it is 60 degree. What we need to find out? Distance of the satellite from top of Nanda Devi and Mulyangiri. So we have to find out AF and PF. So first ये triangle लेंगे बेटा AFG. We know AG is 1937 by 2. This is theta. We need to find out AF. So base is given. Find out hypotenuse cos theta. Cos 30 degree will be base, which is AG upon hypotenuse AF. Cos 30 कितना होता है बेटा? What is cos 30? Root 3 by 2. AG is 1937 by 2 into AF. This to this got cancelled. You got AF is 1937 by root 3. Right? Alright. If you want, you can rationalize it further. So it will be 1937 into root 3 by 3. Similarly, FP if we need to find out. So for second one, I'll go for the triangle FHP. I will say this time cos 60 degree will be equal to base is HP upon FP. Cos 60 is 1 by 2 is equal to HP is 1937 by 2 into FP. We need to find it out. Okay, so here we will be saying ki sir ji cos 60 is 1 by 2 here FP. So this to this got cancelled. FP will be equal to 1937 kilometers. ठीक है? हो गया question? Okay, 1937 by 2 and one in one case 1937. Cos 30 root 3 by 2 here they have done, right? So 11,118.36 that upon root 3 and this is 1937. Second, if a milestone very far away from Mulyangiri makes an angle 45 degree to the top of the Mulyangiri mountain, find the distance of this milestone from the mountain. So this milestone is away from Mulyangiri and it is making an angle of 45 degree to the top. तो बेटा ये सेम रहेगा, ऐसा है, ऐसा ही केस रहेगा. ये Mulyangiri top, angle of elevation is 45 degree. So Mulyangiri's height is given to you. How much? 1930. So if it is 1930 meters, using 1045 this will also be 1930 meters only. ठीक है? Simple. So this is how this particular question will be solved. Therefore, don't be afraid. My point to you to prove here is that please don't be afraid by the different questions. This diagram is complex. If you will see the questions, just look at the triangles which are useful for you. What is your strategy for this? Look at the triangles which you want. Triangles pe focus karoge, you will get all your answers. Alright bachcho, and also if you need any guidance, you are more than welcome to join Vedantu's Pro subscription. GPE Pro code also giving you 10% off as well. Flat 10% off you are getting. So you can also use this benefit as well. ठीक है बच्चों, so this is all from my side in today's class. है ना. And the batches are starting. बेटा देख लो, one more batch is going to start 7th February, and you know your exams are very close right now. So take it now so that you have at least 1-2 months before your exam starts and you can prepare nicely. Okay bachcho, so thank you so much for joining the session. I hope all of you enjoyed the session. Please don't forget to like this video before you leave, share the video with your friends, and subscribe to this channel if you are new here. And thank you so much to all the students who have already liked this video. Thank you so much guys. I'll see you all in the next class. Till then, bye bye, sayonara, khuda hafiz to all of you. Bye bye bachcho.